welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family, because I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday. So I haven't done like a clothing hacks video in quite some time, and today I'm doing another t-shirt hacks. I'm gonna share with you different ways that you can style without cutting or sewing. Sometimes we just wanna change up the look without ruining our t-shirt. I will link my Rakuten referral link down below. That is just a cashback site, and I just wanted to mention it quickly. You get cash back and they're having amazing deals. I just saw they were doing 3 times cash back on a ton of stores. There's H&M, Lululemon on there, Misguided. There's literally every single store I shop on. So if you're gonna shop online and buy clothing, definitely shop through Rakuten and you will get money back on your order. And also, if you sign up with my referral link today, you will get $30 once you make your first purchase right away. This is only going on, I believe, to the end of the year, so make sure if you're gonna sign up now. Everything will be linked down below. But like I said, all you're gonna need is a basic t-shirt and you're good to go. But on that note, let's just jump right into the video. Like I said, all you're going to need is a plain t-shirt, so I'm just taking this white one from Forever 21, and as you can tell, it's just kind of slouchy and doesn't really do much for my body. So I'm going to share with you 10 ways on how to style your old t-shirts without cutting and sewing. To start off, I'm going to share with you how to get the perfect knot on your t-shirt every single time. So I just like to do it the way where I bunch up my shirt in the front and then I tie it around my hand and just make the knot. But something I always do now, instead of having it bulge out like this, as you can see, and it looks kind of weird, I just take the excess material and fold it over on top of the knot, and it makes the perfect bun looking knot, and I absolutely love it. It turns out great every single time. I love knotting up my t-shirts. It's just an easy way to transform it. It really gives it a different look to the overall outfit whenever you knot up your t-shirts. This next way to style your t-shirt completely transforms it and really gives your t-shirt some shape. So if it's just kind of shapeless, I love doing this. So all you have to do is just go from the inside and create a knot. Make sure you are in the center of your shirt, because it's gonna look a little bit weird if it's off-centered, and then you're just gonna pull it down to the liking of how you want the knot and the cinching to be. But this just cinches your waist kind of and just gives it more of a shape instead of being boxy and just really doing nothing for your body, and it looks really cute paired with jeans. This next way is going to completely change up the look of your t-shirt. All you're gonna do is gather your shirt to the front and tie a giant kind of like ponytail. What you're gonna need for this is any sort of bandana. I only had this black and white one, but I think with different textures, different patterns, this could look super cute. So you're just gonna go from underneath the knot of your shirt and you're going to tie it over your hair tie so that you don't see it at all. And this is going to give your shirt a completely different look. Once you go ahead and you tie the bandana, you then have to just take the knot of the shirt and you can either tuck it up in your shirt and kind of put it underneath your bra, or you can tuck it into your pants so you don't see it at all. But of course you want to tuck it away so you can't see your t-shirt. I show you guys in my clips both ways so you can kind of see the difference. And then it just has this little bandana dangling down, and like I said, you can do all different colors and looks, and this just really transforms the look of your t-shirt, and it's super cute, especially for like spring, summertime, when you just go out with some jeans and or jean shorts would look super cute as well. This next one only takes a few seconds to do, and it is one of my favorites. So all I did is I just bunched up the side of my t-shirt, split it into 2 bunches, and then I just put it through the loophole on my belt, and it creates a little bow on your shirt, and it's just an easy way to completely transform your t-shirt. I absolutely love this because it just looks like a cute little bow design, and it's super simple to do, and it stays as well. Now this next way will just kind of transform your tuck into your pants. So if you're going to tuck in your t-shirt, a cool way is just to take one side of your t-shirt, put it the opposite way, and do the same thing with the other half, and it just kind of gives you a little bit of a wrap detailed design instead of just tucking in your t-shirt as normal. It's super simple to do, and it just gives it that little bit of a different look. This next way is a different way on how to crop your t-shirt. All you're gonna do is kind of bunch up your shirt right in the center of it, and then once you bunch it all the way almost down, then you're gonna go ahead and tie a knot at the ending of where you bunched it. And then once you do this, you're just going to tuck your shirt and fold it inside, and I usually tuck it into my bra. This is just an easy way to crop up your shirt and to tuck in. It gives it a little bit of a tied look at the end. I like to do this with my shirts to kind of just give it a cropped look. For this next way, all you're going to do to style your t-shirt is just bunch up the side from the inside out and tie a knot, kind of like we did at the second way we styled the t-shirt where we did the knot in just the center. But this time you're going to make 2 bunches on each side of your t-shirt, and you can either just wear it like this where it kind of cinches on the sides. It just really brings your t-shirt together so it's not so boxy, but I also like to just tuck in my shirt that way, so I will tuck it in underneath my bra, and this is another way to crop your shirt with giving it a different look, and it's going to stay put and not come undone. This next one is a little bit more risque, so all you're gonna do is take the end of your shirt and fold it right where the neck hole is and just tie a knot around where your bra is, and then put the rest of the material into the bra, and this is a way to completely transform your shirt and crop it. I think this would look super cute with super high-waisted pants or high-waisted shorts. It gives it a little bit of a plunging neckline. It stays put, the back is cropped. I really enjoy doing this. I think with some like black high-waisted faux leather pants would look really adorable. And the last way to transform your t-shirt is just to take the 2 sides of your shirt and cross it over, and then you're going to tuck the ends underneath your bra, and it's just going to give you a little bit of a wrapped look as well, but of course it's going to be cropped. So this is just really cute as well with some high-waisted jeans or jean shorts would look really nice, or even some high-waisted black pants. Let me know if you guys try styling your t-shirt any of these ways, and always take me on my Instagram, just at NICOLETTAXO. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, so definitely check out my description box. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family. I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!